Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Out. My name is Simon and today it's finally time. We're going to be opening a box of YuGiOh Duelists Advance. We had to wait a little bit because of logistics, but now it's here, so let's open it. Also, already saw the next set is also facing the same logistics problems, so that's gonna be great. That's gonna be just great. But anyway, first set without quarter-century secret rares. It's been a while. Let's open. Let's see what we get. Will we be sad? Maybe not. We have Starlight rares in this one. And we get, starting off with a secret rare. It's Sky Striker Ace equals 0. How lovely. And that's it here. And we move on to the next pack. Let's see what we get in this one. We get a Sky Striker Special Maneuver Lemniscate. Ultra rare. Lovely. First two packs onto the third. Let's see what we get here. A Galaxy Wardrake. Now it's back to the chaff. And that's fine. Next one. An Argo Stars Adventurous Arian. Also ultra rare. Moving on. We have the Monarch's Revolt. And that's it here. On to the next one. Let's see what we have. We have an Angry Burger. And a Gaga Utopic Tactics. On to the next pack we go. Where we have an RB Vulcan Rocket. On to the next one. With a Tessera, the Primal Squire. Moving even further to a Parallel Teleport. On to the next one. With an RB Gaten Cutter. No idea how to pronounce that one actually. G8. Well, one of those. You pick. Next one, we have an Archmage Graflair. Another ultra rare here. And time for the last one. On the right side, because that's the one I emptied first here. I can see a Gaga girl. Secret rare. Hooray. Moving on to the left side. with an Archmage Litera. On to the next one we go, with a Medius the Pure. And in the next pack we have an RB Funk Doc. On to the next one, with a Mind Procedure. Next pack, we have another RB GA10 cutter. Moving on to Reading of Rights. Next pack, we have a First of the Dragon Lords, very epic looking. On to the next one. Where we have an RB the Brute Blues. Look at the treatment. Might be familiar, but it's a Starlight. Isn't it lovely? Yes, it is. Don't lie. On to the next pick. Still a few left. We have another RB Vulcan Rocket. That might also be pronounced wrongly. But who knows? Not me. Because nobody ever corrects my pronunciation here. We have a Lunalight Perfume Dancer. Oh, cool foiling. And we are at the second to last pack. Let's see what we get. We get a Go Goblin Berg. What a silly card. And then we're down to the last pack. Let's see what this one holds. Let's see if you're happy or not. It's an RB Funk Doc. That's the last one. So, this has been another opening here on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.